Hello, this is the ToLife Dehumidifier, and we're going to go ahead and open it up here and do a quick unboxing. And so what you have when you open it right up is a nice card here with support information. So you have email contact information, telephone, as well as their support hours, and stating that you have a 1-year warranty from date of purchase. And also just a quick how-to on removing the tank and pouring out the water. So you have that, a little bit of foam packing, and then everything else is in this plastic bag here. We'll go ahead and take that out. And here, of course, is the dehumidifier. Smells good and fresh. Always have that good new package, new box smell. So you have that. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. And no, just some foam on the packing on the bottom, and then the user manual. And so the dehumidifier itself, here you are. Here is the water tank. And in the tank, it just slides out like so. And I assume this is probably going to be your power. Yes. So you have your standard wall outlet power cable here. So that's convenient storage in there. Again, here is your tray. Here's the top of the tray. Slides on like so. And you just slide it in. Let's see if I can do this here. I didn't pay attention. This is my first time getting this out, putting it back in. There we go. And that's it. And power, here we go. Power is on the back. And you have this here. Presumably maybe a dust filter, you can claim, but I haven't looked at the manual yet. So that's it. So again, the ToLife Dehumidifier, unboxing dehumidifier, again, full user manual, of course, power cord, and your quick support guide here, and some good foam in the bottom of the box. So that's it. Looking good. We'll let you know how it works.